Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this summer glowy makeup look, but it is actually foolproof for the summer. It's super hot here in Miami. There's a lot of humidity. It's just like a volcano everywhere you go. So I wanna look glowy, but I don't want my makeup to slip off. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the products that are most likely going to be able to stay on your face. So you wanna have a nice bronzy glow that will last all day. Keep on watching. Firstly though, if you have not subscribed yet, take one quick moment to do so. Ring that bell. Ring that bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every single time I upload. If you did like the video, please give it a like, don't forget. And without further ado, let's start this show. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap I would love to drown. I need that story I used to hear, to run on into and disappear. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down, and I can't do this without you. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down, and I can't do this without you. Your stories, they come from the heart. Glue me together and tear me apart. Your stories, they come from the heart. Glue me together and tear me apart. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down, and I can't do this without you. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down, and I can't do this without you. Your stories, they come from the heart. Glue me together and tear me apart.
All right, now that the eyes are golden sparkly, let's get started with the face. I'm using the Pretty Fresh ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer. I did just add my regular moisturizer underneath this, nothing else, because this is a moisturizer already on its own. And remember, you don't want your face to be greasy. I've been obsessing with this little moisturizer lately. It's been my go-to. It's basically my foundation. That's what I've been using lately. It's lightweight, it's not too much, and it just mattifies and really adheres to your skin. Perfect for the summer. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I've been loving this concealer lately. It's full coverage, but kind of slightly dewy, and it's not too much. And this is exactly what you want. You want this to, like, your makeup just to stay on. You're going to be sweating throughout the course of the day, so you want this all to stay on, but you don't want to feel like a chalkboard either. It's a perfect balanced formula. It's silky, it's hydrating, yet it's mattifying. And to set that concealer, I'm using the Covergirl Advanced Radiance Powder. This has a slight sheen to the skin. It definitely locks in your concealer and your entire face, but still adds a touch of glow. It's just like a little miracle powder I found at the drugstore. And of course, setting the rest of my face with that same powder for that beautiful glow all over. And I'm going to go ahead and smoke my bottom lash line with this color from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm just using a pencil brush for this, and I am smoking out my bottom lash line halfway through. I'm going to take this beautiful burnt orange color. I'm just going to go right underneath that same color. Just add a little bit of dimension. And taking this stunning gold greenish color, it's like a beautiful satin color. I'm going to be highlighting my inner corners with that. I want gold. All this entire look, I just want Cleopatra coming out. And then I'm going to take another little color here, and I am also highlighting the brow bone with that color. Now for my waterline, I wanted to go daytime appropriate, so I'm using a brown Ulta liner. I'm going to go ahead and link it all down below. And for mascara, I'm using the e.l.f. Length and Volume Mascara. I've been kind of liking this lately. I've just been using it. It's my only mascara that I have at the moment. Time to bronze the skin. This has been my go-to favorite bronzer. This is the Maybelline City Bronzer in the color 200. And this just complements my skin so gorgeously. It has like a gold, a hint of like a sheen of gold undertone. I don't know how to explain it. It's stunning. And just contouring my nose as well. I like to use a second brush just to feather out that contour. You know, it was a little harsh. A nice little trick I like to do to soften up the nose contour. And then for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the color Nudist Society. So I'm going to be applying this beautiful peachy color first. It is stunning. And I'm just going to make it even more stunning with this Milani Rose D'Oro color. This blush is just like a beautiful dark tan rosy color with some beautiful gold reflex. Perfect for the summer. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Morphe Taunt liquid lipstick, which is my favorite kind of nude. And I'm going to top it off with some gloss from ColourPop. This is the color Partly Rowdy. It's a stunning champagne juicy gloss. And I literally almost forgot about highlight. How could you miss highlight out of everything? I'm using the Jaclyn Hill So Bomb Loose Highlight. This is a stunning pure gold, finely milled loose highlight. It just pairs perfectly with this summer bronzy look. Because the rest of my face was matte, I wanted a dewy setting spray. So I'm using this one from Milani. Just going to give you that nice subtle glow, but still keeping your makeup in place. And we are done with the look. As always, thank you again so much for watching. Please give the video a like if you did like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, just hit that subscribe button. Happy summer, everyone. Bye.